This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Figma and launching the Material Theme Builder plugin. This gets you to the working panel fast. Select the frame or component set you want to theme because the plugin maps tokens to actual layers. Once done, enable shared color and typography tokens so changes propagate. Make sure to pick a primary color and a neutral palette first. These drive system components. This step avoids manual overrides later, and it speeds up consistent theming across screens. Now you map your palette into the plugin's token slots, primary, secondary, surface, background, because tokens are the single source of truth. Next, assign your typography scales, display, title, body, caption, and set weights to match hierarchy. Then adjust elevation, corner radii, and spacing tokens so components behave consistently. As you modify tokens, watch instances update in real time. This confirms coverage. Make incremental changes and use the preview panel to validate contrast and alignment before publishing. You finish by publishing tokens to your team library, which pushes changes to all components and files. This is critical for consistency. Once published, update components and check instances across screens. Use replace styles and token swaps for variant overrides when exceptions exist. If something looks off, inspect overrides on the problematic instance, reset local styles, and reapply tokens. That fixes most mismatches. Finally, communicate changes to your team so everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.